If there are animals in your herd that are missing sires, there is a recording screen available for farmers on their ICBF account to record missing sires. This screen can be accessed by logging into your ICBF account and going to the Record Events section and selecting Missing Sires from the drop-down menu. Animals currently in your herd missing sires can be updated using this screen. If there are animals that have left the herd without having a sire recorded, there is a drop-down feature available on this page that allows farmers to record missing sires for departed animals. The option to record missing sires is also available on the HerdPlus app. This can be accessed by logging into the HerdPlus app and selecting the three lines at the left-hand side of the screen. From here, you can click on Record Events and select Sire from the drop-down menu. The animals shown on the screen are animals in the herd that are currently missing a sire. A sire can be added by clicking on the blue box at the right-hand side of the screen, and you can enter in the sire code. Once the sire code has been added, you can click Record Sire, and this will record the sire for that animal.